Life gets better when you focus on the good. Kasi let's be honest, may mga araw talaga na gusto mong i-fast forward lahat ng problema, di ba? But here's the thing, hindi mo kailangan i-control lahat. Minsan, kailangan mo lang hayaan na yung bad stuff gumulong palayo. Our goal is peace of mind. Kasi kung lagi mong iniisip ang hindi maganda, you'll miss the small blessings na nasa harapan mo na. So today, choose to see what's good. Smile, kahit may kaunting sablay. Be grateful, kahit hindi ganun kaayos ang sitwasyon. Alam mo kasi, you'll never know what tomorrow brings. Baka yung hinihintay mong breakthrough, nasa next sunrise na. Kaya relax, focus on the good, and let the bad roll away. Tomorrow might just surprise you.